Hey, this is Carl Milius. Hey, before this video starts, I wanted to show you personally the fun that my son is having with the MiBro Robot. It is awesome. Thank you.
He's so sweet.
Yeah, he is. Hi, this is Carl Milius, and today we'll be looking at the MiBro by Really RAD Robots. See, my son Landon loves it when I take him out and I use my Nautilus CC Plus pool cleaner. Yeah, it's a robot cleaner that actually cleans my pool. Landon likes this robot so much that he wanted his own robot. So after some time searching on the web, I found the MiBro by Really RAD Robots, RAD. So this robot has and does it all, so let's get into it. It's a MiBro and Really RAD Remote. So what you get right here is you get the Really RAD Remote right here. You get some nice directions, and these directions are excellent. Instruction manual. And of course, you get the MiBro Really RAD Robot. First of all, I want you to tell you, this robot, if you lift it up and put it on the bottom, it takes 3 AA batteries on the bottom. So this is how you open it up. First of all, it takes 3 AA batteries. I just took it out with your standard Phillips screwdriver. Okay, the robot takes AA's, and the remote, here's the remote right now. I'm going to open up that and see right here. There you go. It's a standard 3 AAA batteries for the remote too. This robot does a ton, but I want to talk about the movement. That's the first thing I'm going to do. So what I want to do on the robot itself, there's a robot right here. I got to focus right there. And I'm going to turn on the robot. So I'm going in the back, and you see a 1, and you see a 2, and a 0. 0 means it's off. Now, this is the channel. It turns it on, but it's a channel, wireless channel. Channel 1 or channel 2, you can change it to either one. I'm going to put it to channel 1. So now, he just said something. So I'm going to put it there. And I have this remote. Okay, the remote is right here. And I'm going to switch it to a 1. Just like I switched the robot to. And so I'm going to do now that they switch it, this is on 1 and the robot's on the right. Up and down left, left and right is on the right. So here we go. I'll go over here. I'm backing up. I'm going to turn. I'm pressing. See, left and right turns, forward and back. And it's very agile. See? Forward and backwards, left and right. I'm already turning it. You get the point. Turn. That's the first thing I wanted to do. Now there's a dance mode on this. So you know about forward and backward, left and right. Now, on the remote, let's go back to remote. If I press this music button right here, it's a dance button mode. So let's press that. Now he's dancing. See that? That was pretty cool. Do a stealth mode. So parents are going to like this. If you don't want him, you notice he talks all the time. Sorry about the focus all the time. But if you don't want this robot to talk, the MiBro, now there's a stealth mode. So what you do is you press it, and now he's quiet. I press this gray button in front of him. Now he's quiet. Oh. So let's see. So he doesn't do anything. And I just held in the gray button. Okay, that's stealth mode. Now, here are some sound effects. The next mode I want to do is, this is funny. Kids are going to like this. Parents, you know how the kids like gross stuff. So my son got a kick of this. So here you go. On this mode, again, I'm going to put this in front. There's a mode right here. Oh, he's always talking. He's always talking. So there's a mode. There's like a soccer ball, and there's, I think, like a gas or cloud button. So what we want to do is we want to switch this over to the gas, or it's actually probably gas or fart or something like that, trust me. And this is the sport mode. You see a soccer ball, and this is like the gas mode. Okay, so what I want you to do is we're gonna press this over again. We're gonna take this, and we're gonna move it all the way to the gross mode. So we're gonna take this. We're gonna move this button all the way to the gross mode, because there's like a gas bubble here. And then we're gonna press the audio or sound button.
Yo, what's up?
So remember, I push this to gross mode, which is on the left-hand side. You see a gas bubble. So that's when you gas, believe it or not. And then I press the sound button. You'll see that on most computers, which is audio or sound. And you hear the robot, and watch him. Isn't that crazy? All right, so that's gross mode. Now, here's another thing. I'm going to go to blaster mode. So what I have to do is first, he comes... The MiBro comes with some accessories. So the first one is a blaster gun right here. Son likes that. So what you do is I'm going to pick him up. And you see these little hooks right here on his hand? Right here. I'm going to put this in like this. And you just clamp it down.
Yo, what's with the silent treatment?
I put him down. Now he's got a blaster. That's pretty cool. So now I'm going to go to blaster mode. Okay? Now, on the left-hand side, I'm going to go back here again. Blaster mode is right in the middle. And this instruction booklet's excellent. Okay. A lot of times he puts himself to sleep. So I push the button right here from the left in the middle. And you see a blaster right here. Here's a blaster, here's a soccer ball, here's the gas. All right, so I put it in the middle, and then I press the sound button again. And now watch the robot. Pretty cool. Now, let's go to sport mode. So let's take off this blaster.
Hey, let's have some fun.
I took off the blaster. Now, sport mode. He's got one of these. More accessories. It says RAD Robots. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to put that like that. There you go. Again, I'm looking at the left of the controller. I'm switching it to the soccer ball. And I'm pressing the audio.
I'm number one. I'm number one. Now that's what I call teamwork.
That's pretty cool. So remember, on this right here, you have this mode. There's gross mode, there's blaster mode, and there's sport mode. and you switch between them all, and you press the sound right here, the audio, not this one over here, but the audio button. And they do their different functions, which is pretty cool. Well, we can play soccer. So I'm going to get this off, take this off, put this back down. And let's see, we have more accessories. More accessories. So we have this, and we have the soccer ball. So I can put that there, and I can put the ball there. So now, kids could try to get it in the... So again, I'm using my forward and backward, left and right knobs. So watch this. Oh, I gotta turn it back on. Oh, I tried to get in. Oh, I scored. So it's pretty maneuverable. So see, it's very maneuverable. So okay. So another mode I want to do is called volume adjustment. So what you do is you take the RAD robot, okay? You can hold them in for 2 seconds. 1, 2, and you can adjust the volume. So that's always good. So I held him in on the green button for 2 seconds, and then I used the left button on the remote. And that's how I adjust the volume. So now let's go to the right side. Now this is talk. And up here, you can talk using your normal voice, your robot voice, and your helium voice. Let's go through all of them. So let's do normal mode with the happy face. And I'm going to press on this button, and I'm going to talk into this. So I have to take the remote. Okay. Hello, this is Dad. Hello, this is Dad. Ha 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 ha. Okay, now I'm going to switch it. I'm going to switch it in the middle to robot mode. Again, I switch it to the robot mode. I'm going to press on this, but I'm talking into here. Hello, this is Robot Road. This is Robot Road. This is Robot Road. Robot mode, robot mode. Okay. And this mode is going to be like he has helium. You know when you have put helium in your voice? Again, we're going to go back here again. I switch it all the way to the right. This is helium mode. Here we go. This is helium mode. Do I sound funny? Do I sound funny? Do I sound funny? Hello? Hello? Okay, I have to do some clarification again. Now, I was saying the microphone's here. It's actually right here. I meant that, but the microphone is this circle right here. Okay, so the next function is that this MiBro or MiBro, okay, the MiBro can actually carry some things. So I'm going to take this over here like this. I'm going to put his hands up, and he has this little carrying pouch, or I guess this area, or it was a net actually. The net turns into...
I'm out of here, bro.
So he has his hands like this, and I'm going to slide it in like this. I want to put it in a different way. So let's put it in like this. Put this down like this, put that down. Here we go. Now, forgive my camera. Pretty cool. It's another thing you can carry. So that was cool. You should get this MiBro robot because it's really cool. Okay, I'm out. Awesome. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube station. I think it's down there, or could it be over there or over there? I don't know. Thank you very much.